pleasure that the accomplishment of Agni 5, which has been a cherished dream for most of us all these years, has brought us together here. Agni 5 has been a very important event, politically, technologically, scientifically, and in terms of the social impact and the motivation it has created. I think this is one of the prime examples of once we have committed ourselves to do something, how well we can do. We took 3 years from the drawing board to the launch pad. I think one of the fastest turnaround times for a mission of this class anywhere in the world. It created a major change in technology capabilities, what we had, in terms of the accuracy what we can deliver. In fact, towards the impact we got this accuracies of tens of meters what we recorded at 5,000 kilometers. Again a fantastic performance. I think this is one of the first events where the first flight of this magnitude has met a full success in the first attempt of its kind. It's important because so far whatever missiles we had to place them close to our forward areas. If we want to hit the targets of our prime concern, if we want to extend our security envelope to the relevant areas, and they were vulnerable. With Agni 5, we have got the capability that from anywhere in the country, from deep inside, we are able to strike at any part of our prime concern currently. And that's the prime major importance of Agni 5 as far as the national security is concerned. That's why it's a game changer, that's why it's a major political social event. The technology growth it has brought in has given us a lot of confidence to attempt much better, much bigger systems. The launch on demand capability, the multiple warhead systems, the maneuvering systems, and they are all on the anvil. It has given confidence to our political mentors that yes, as a country, as a technology community, we can achieve what we have set to achieve in the given time frames what we wanted it. And that's a major success of this program.